Mas bet ko naman talaga pag-usapan yung legit ha. And for today's video, yung pag-uusapan natin, I think is one of the best, if not the best online loan platform or buy now pay later platform. I mean, it's the kind na ikaw yung magda-download mismo from Google Play Store or the App Store. Once you have a credit limit with this loan app, I mean, hindi mo talaga pagsisisihan. Ma-enjoy mo talaga to. And it's really very helpful. So let's talk about Credivo, and kung hindi ka pa familiar, then stick around. And also meron akong update sa mga nakapanood na sa previous kong vlog. Keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here. And dito, pinag-uusapan po natin ay OLA, online loan platforms, buy now, pay later platforms, utang platforms. Because yung goal natin is financial literacy and being responsible borrowers. This video was made in cooperation with Credivo. Alam ko may mga mapapataas ng kilay dyan, but why not? Because Credivo is legit. SEC registered, CIC reporting. So, ang daming benefits once you have a Credivo account. So, this video is sort of a follow-up sa previous ko. I was reject, and then approve. I said that para hindi mawalan yung pag-asa ng mga tampu-tampu dyan na nare-reject. But of course, credit history po yung labanan dito. Kaya dapat maganda po yung ating credit history kung nag-a-apply tayo sa mga loan platforms that are legit. And if you haven't seen the old vlogs, you can check this or this. And this, dito ko guys na-approve. May mga tips tayo dyan, so dito ko na-approve. And when I was approved, I got 20,000 pesos on alert din yung ate nyo kasi akala ko masasagad ko yan yung cash loan. Hindi mo pwedeng sagarin yan sa cash loan. But it's not that bad ha. 20,000 I was only able to, like sa akin, 50% of that lang yung pwede mong ma-cash loan. You have to really think about it kasi, say for example, pakipot ka ba? Now, I'm not saying pakipot, but of course, you have to only get what you can afford to pay. I only took 1,500 and then I realized that you can only have one cash loan at a time. So, kailangan mo yung tapusin and you can choose terms between 3 months and 6 months. And don't worry guys, it has a low admin fee and very low interest. So, kayang-kaya talaga ng bulsa. And if you want to see an example of the computation, ito po. O, diba? Carry lang ano? Baba ng interest. Yes, I know. Kung hindi mo man na-take as cash loan, yung the rest na pwede mong i-cash loan, then your remaining credit limit, you have the option to use it for bills payment, QR payments, and not just online ha. Anywhere na may QRPH. So I'm talking about malls, restaurants, coffee shops. Kahit na nga Lazada, pwede guys. Nakapag-scan ako yun ng QR. Oh, diba? Ang galing. So after I paid all my loans, I had a 1,500 na cash loan. I did Lazada, I did Italianis, and I also did other transactions. Hinintay ko talaga guys na fully pay ko lahat. And what I realized is that hindi na 50% na credit limit mo yung pwede mo ma-cash loan. This time, 16,000 pesos na yung inallow na system. I'm not saying that it's gonna be the same for all. It varies from one user to another. But the moral lesson here is that if you are a responsible borrower, you get better terms, you get better offers, you unlock more perks. This time, it's 16,000 pesos. I'm not worried about the amount na hindi ko pwedeng i-cash loan because I know I can still use it for transactions like QRPH payments. That's 0% interest for 30 days with a very low admin fee na carry mo talaga. Alam ko, mahilig kayo sa examples. Meron tayong pagpipili ang amounts dyan like 3,200, 5,600, 8,000, 12,000, and you can choose between 3 months and 6 months. Of course, if I do 1,500 again, this is going to be the monthly payments, kung 3 months man or 12. Kung gusto ko man siya ipadala sa GCash ko, pwede, or bank, yung destination, nasa inyo. Ang dami pong options. Choose the amount that you're comfortable with because guys, only utang what you need and what you can afford to pay back. Before mo i-take yung loan, there are no surprises. Alam mo na kung anong ma-expect. It's all laid out. Plus, you also get a copy of your loan documents sa email mo after you complete the transaction. This is what we want from a loan platform. Transparent at hindi po kumakaltas kung may cash loan man. Buong natatanggap guys. Pag sinabi niyang you will receive 14,000 pesos, yun talaga yung ma-receive mo. So tanggap ko sa GCash ko. With full confidence, masasabi ko that this is one of the best, if not the best, because it's got everything that we're looking for from an utang app like cash loan, na walang kaltas, pwedeng monthly installments, and mababa yung interest. All process, yung pag-apply is online. Plus, there's a lot of flexibility going on here. Yung natitira kong amount, magagamit ko naman yan ulit sa mga QR payments, other transactions. Finalize the loan to make sure that yung talagang naglo-loan ka talaga, magpipin ka po. Part of being a responsible borrower is also making sure na inaalagaan po natin yung mga accounts natin. So, don't forget your PIN. Make sure na walang ibang makaka-access sa account nyo. And I hope you get what I mean. There you have it, everyone. I think I said everything that I need to say about this app. And basically, the bottom line is that I love it. I love this app so far because of its flexibility and the interest. Napakababa, guys. Wala siyang kaltas, which is what I think is very important for us when cash loan po yung pinag-uusapan. Kung wala ka pang Credivo, then you can download this loan platform either sa Google Play Store or sa App Store. And to make sure that you are downloading the correct app, meron po akong link sa description box. But of course, it depends on, individual credit assessment, kung ma-approve ka, kung magkano yung magiging starting credit limit mo. But basically, guys, you just need one valid ID, national ID. Yung digital is pwede, yung e-fill. You can also use your UMID or your driver's license. Make sure that you take a clear photo of that ID para, kasi pag blurred na huwag niyong sayangin yung oras niyo. Guys, do it right the first time. Make sure na yung pag-picture niyo ng ID niyo is clear para hindi kayo paulit-ulit, hindi kayo ma-reject kasi sayang naman yung oras, diba? And one important tip as you can notice naman dun sa mga IDs na binanggit natin, there's your address, there's your name. Just make sure na kung ano yung nilagay mo sa form, it is consistent with the information that's on your ID. Yun lang, guys. It's so easy to be approved, and kung sa mga na-reject dyan, don't worry. Kasi hindi po forever yung reject. It took me ilang tries bago ako finally ma-approve. O, diba? Para hindi naman kayo mawala ng pag-asa. Nako. And I guess that's all you need to know about this loan platform. Again, umay kayo ilang beses ko itong uulitin that I love it so far. And I hope na magustuhan nyo rin siya. Kung meron man ako nakalimutan, please let me know in the comment section below. But I think I said everything that I need to say about this app. And I just wish na soon magkaka-increase ako. But, well, that is not possible for now. Kasi hindi po siya tulad sa ibang OLA. Credit history po talaga yung labanan dito, be. At kung magkaka-increase ako, and if I see more improvements, more changes, don't worry, I will definitely share it with you guys. Ang goal ko naman talaga dito is to invite you sa mga loan apps that are legit. Paldo tayo dito sa mga legit na mga loan apps, guys. Iwasan natin yung mga loan apps na hindi legit. And I love Credivo so far. And yeah, I'm being biased, but why not? Pinakita ko naman sa inyo kung bakit, diba? Again, meron tayong link dyan para hindi kayo maligaw sa kung saan siya mada-download. But of course, if you don't want my link, available siya sa Google Play Store or sa iOS. And I think that's everything you need to know. You may go now.